Dear students, we are going to solve sixth problem from exercise 1.6. Now, in chapter 1, exercise 1.6, we are having 6 questions. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee. So, total number of people are 70. It means we are given number of elements in A and B. Then 37 likes coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. So it means that there is not even a single person who don't like either tea or coffee. How many people like both coffee or tea? So let A be the set. Let A be the set of people that likes tea, and B be the set of the people those like coffee. So we are given number of elements in A set is 37, number of elements in B set is 37 likes coffee. It means B set number of elements in B is 37 and number of elements in A set is 52. Now we are given total number of people. It means number of elements in A union B is given to us as 70. It means if this is A set, this is B set, A set, B set, we are given in A set number of elements in A are 52, number of elements in B are 37 and total number of people are 70. So we asked how many people like both coffee and tea. So this common question is asked. How many people like tea and coffee both? So we have the formula. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So this is what is the identity we have. Just putting the values we will get the solution. 70 is equal to 52 plus 37 minus number of elements in A intersection B. If you take this transpose to the left hand side, we will get number of elements in intersection B is equal to 52 plus 37. 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. If you transpose 70 to the right hand side, you will get 70. It means 19 is the solution. Thus 19 people like both tea and coffee. Thus 19 people like tea and coffee both. People like both tea and coffee. No need to write both again. Dear students, now next question is 7th question. In exercise 1.6, 7th question is in a group of 65 people. So total people are 65. 40 like to play cricket. 40 people like cricket. Out of this, some may be liking tennis also. Now 10 like both cricket and tennis. So 10 like cricket also and tennis also. Understand this? This 10 is included in this 40. How many people like tennis only and not cricket? So how many, and second question is how many people like tennis? So try to understand the question. If A is the set of the people who likes to play cricket, then number of elements in cricket are liking cricket or playing cricket are 40. Number of people, those who play tennis, if this is A set, this is B set, and in B set we are having, that is the asked to us, then we are given common, which like both. So these are number of elements in A intersection B is given to us as 10, and we are asked how many people like only tennis, not cricket. It means this portion is asked to us. So please understand, this can be found by, first we will have to find the A union B, that is the total, minus number of elements in A. We will get the number of people that play only tennis, and those who like to play tennis are total number of elements in set B. Let us. So let A be the set of the people that like cricket and B be the set of the people that likes tennis. Now we are given total number of people in a group of 65 people. It means number of elements in A union B is given to us as 65. Then 40 like cricket. So number of elements in A is also given to us as 40. Then 10 like both cricket and tennis. It means number of elements in A intersection B is also given to us as 10. And we are asked to find how many people like tennis only and not cricket. Let us find. Now we have the identity. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. And if we want to find the people who like only tennis, means we have to find number of elements in A union B minus number of elements in A is equal to the people who like only tennis. That is equal to number of people who likes only tennis. So this is equal to number of people liking A union B is 65. 65 minus 40 is 25. So 25 people likes only tennis and not cricket. Then second question is how many people like tennis. So that is equal to, in first formula if you put the values you will get A union B is 65. 65 is equal to number of elements 40 plus number of elements in B minus 10. So this is equal to 40 minus 10 is 30. If you transpose 30 to other side you will get 65 minus 30 is equal to number of elements in B. So number of elements in B is equal to 35. It means 35 people likes tennis. Last question from exercise 1.6 is, in a committee 50 people speak French, 20 people speak Spanish and 10 people speak both Spanish and French. How many people speak at least one of these two languages? So this is the question. Let A be the set of the people, those speak. Let A be the set of people speaking French. B be the set of people speaking Spanish, and it means we are given number of elements in A set are 50 people speak French, so number of elements in A set is 50. Number of elements in B set 20 people speak Spanish, that is equal to 20, and 10 people speak both, so it means common to both are A intersection B, that is equal to 10. So it means if A is the set of the people those who speak French and B is the set of the people those who speak Spanish, number of element in A intersection B is equal to 10, number of elements in A is equal to 50, number of elements in B is equal to 20. So please understand, B means total circle, A means total circle, and A intersection B means the shaded portion. We have the identity. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So this is equal to 50 plus 20 minus 10. That is equal to 70 minus 10. Answer is 60. It means, thus, how many people speak at least one of these two languages? At least one of these two languages. Understand the meaning of one of these means they can speak both the languages also. So here 60 people speak at least one of one of the language.